Congratulations. The moon of Ramadan Sharif has been sighted. Mom, the moon of Ramadan Sharif has been sighted. Mom, I will fast too. Wake me up at suhoor time as well. Okay, fine. To herself, may Allah make it so there is something left in the house to eat. Otherwise, what will I answer my child? There is absolutely nothing to eat in the house. The flour is finished too. What will my innocent child use to keep her fast? I will just fast by drinking water. Let me ask the neighbors for something for my child's suhoor. Who knows if something might be found somewhere. May Allah make it so something to eat is arranged. Sister, there is absolutely nothing to eat in my house. Please give me something for my innocent child's suhoor. Have I opened a charity kitchen? You show up every day to beg. Get out of my house. Oh my Allah, I got nothing. Now you are my only hope. Only you can help me. Wake up, my child. Keep your fast. It is time for suhoor. Mom, give me food quickly. I am very hungry. Take this, my child. Keep the fast with water for now. At iftar time, I will bring you delicious food. Mom, I had suhoor with water. Now what will I eat at iftar? Child, place your trust in your Allah. He will definitely help us. Oh Allah, now you arrange my daughter's iftar. Now I only rely on you. Sarah, give me food quickly. I am hungry. I have to go to work too. I reached a bit late yesterday as well. Father, I will also eat with you. Okay, Sarah, I am going to work. Take care of yourself. If you need anything, call me and let me know. What's up, Wasim brother? How are you? I got late coming. Today again, okay brother? I am going home now. If we live, we will meet again. Take care of yourself. Hey, stop. Take out whatever you have. Stop. Let me go for Allah's sake. What harm have I done to you? Hey, look. This is brother Nasir. Looks like he fainted. Let's pick him up and take him to the hospital. Sister-in-law, some robbers attacked brother. He is in the hospital. Come quickly. Nasir, I am coming to you. Nothing will happen to you. Allah will definitely help us. Nasir, what happened to you? Get well quickly. Your daughter and I need you very much. Please talk to me. I am sorry. We couldn't save your husband. Nasir, what happened to you? You cannot leave me. Please talk to me. Talk to me, Nasir. Have patience, my child. After Nasir's departure, you will have to raise your child with the love of both a mother and a father. When my child asks about her father, saying, "Where has my father gone?" what will I tell her? Mom, I am missing my father. Where did father go? When will he come? I want to meet him. My darling, don't worry. Your father will always be with us as our shadow. Mom, the moon of Ramadan Sharif has been sighted. Mom, I will fast too. Wake me up at suhoor time as well. Okay, fine. To herself. May Allah make it so there is something left to eat. Otherwise, what will I answer my child? There is nothing to eat in the house. The flour is finished too. What will my innocent child fast with? Mom, give me food quickly. I am hungry. Take this, child. Keep the fast with water for now. At iftar time, I will bring you delicious food. It is almost time for iftar. Let me go to my brother's house maybe. I will find something to eat. Brother, it is almost time for iftar. My innocent daughter is fasting. There is nothing to eat at home. Please give something for my child's iftar. Look, Sarah, if Nasir has passed away, what is my fault in that? I have my own family too. Will I bear my own expenses or think about you all the time? Sister-in-law, my innocent child is fasting. There is nothing for iftar. Please give me something to eat. Have we opened a charity kitchen? You show up every day to ask for something or the other. Get out of my house, we have nothing. It is time for iftar. What did you bring? What will we eat for iftar? My sweet daughter, Allah is watching everything, isn't He? He will definitely help us. Let the water keep boiling in the kitchen. I will tell my daughter that food is being cooked for her. Then at least she will sleep peacefully. Mom, bring food quickly. I am very hungry. It is iftar time. Take this, my child. Break your fast with water. The food is cooking. I am bringing delicious food for you right now. Mom, today delicious food is being cooked for Iftar. I am wondering which one I should eat first. My stomach is full just by looking at it. Mom, I can't sleep because of hunger. How much longer for the food? At Chi, the brother's house. Madam, many of the items you made for Iftar are left over. Should I keep them in the fridge? They will be useful for suhoor. Amna, do one thing. Take the leftover food and throw it in the outside garbage. We will make fresh food for suhoor. My daughter fell asleep without eating today. If Nasir was with us, we wouldn't be in this condition. Brother to his wife. Today Sarah came. She was saying there is nothing to eat in her house. Give her some money. She looked very helpless. You don't worry about Sarah. She is a very cunning woman. She just makes excuses so she can take money from everyone. Sleep quietly. Don't ruin your sleep. Oh Allah, I cannot see my daughter hungry. I am very worried. You are my helper. Let me go to the neighborhood and ask for some food from people's houses. Leave me aside. At least my daughter will be able to eat at suhoor. Sister, open the door. For Allah's sake, open the door. Sarah, what happened to you? Why are you breaking our door in the middle of the night? Can't we sleep peacefully at night either? Sister, for Allah's sake, my innocent child will fast. Give a piece of bread for her suhoor. Allah will bless you. Here, take this dry bread and spare us. But remember, don't show up again in the morning. We haven't opened an orphanage. Oh my Lord, millions of thanks to you. You have helped us. My daughter will be very happy just seeing this dry bread. Wake up, child. Keep the fast. It is suhoor time. Mom, how will I eat this dry bread? Bring me some fresh, soft bread. I will soften the dry bread and feed my beloved daughter with my own hands. I will not lose courage. I will look for work and feed my child a full stomach. Madam, give me some work in your house. I can do all kinds of work. I am very poor. It will be of some help to me. Okay, come every day for work. But remember one thing. I absolutely do not like lazy people. And if anything gets stolen from my house, you will be responsible for it. Okay, madam. The husband approaches. Sarah, you are very beautiful. Your madam is not at home. Come, sit. Let's have a chat about love. Just listen to me. I will give you so much money that you will live like royalty. Sir, I might be poor, but I will not feed myself and my child by selling my dignity. Let me go. Laughter. Ali, why was Sarah running away in fear? What happened? Sonia, Sarah stole your ring. When I scolded her, she got scared and ran away. It's hard to trust people nowadays. I gave her work thinking she was poor, and she showed her true colors at the brother's house. Look here, the thief is sitting. Our sister, madam, informed us that she stole her ring and brought it here. You have ruined my reputation by stealing. From today, never come to my house again. From today, I am not your brother. I am not a thief. Thief. Mom, my head is aching a lot. Give me medicine. Child, you have a very high fever. You lie down. I am bringing medicine for you. I don't even have money for medicine. Let me go to my brother's house. Maybe they will have mercy on my child. Brother, my child has a very high fever. For Allah's sake, have mercy on us. Give me some money for medicine. Sarah, I think begging has become your habit. You know I have a lot of expenses myself. I have nothing. Brother, for Allah's sake, do a little favor for your sister today. When I get money, I will return it to you. Don't ruin my mood, right? Now, leave from here immediately. If your sister-in-law comes, she will scream and shout. I can do whatever it takes for my daughter's medicine. In the name of Allah, please give me some money for medicine. In the name of Allah, please give me some money for medicine. Oh Allah, thanks to you, my daughter is well now. My child hasn't eaten since yesterday. Let me take these scavenged food home. I will feed her. Sarah, how are you? What have you done to yourself? Sarah, listen to me. Stop, Sarah. At least listen. Mother, what's the matter? You look worried today. Son, I saw Sarah today. I saw her picking up a burger from the garbage and taking it home. I think she is in deep trouble. Son, who knows how her cruel brother treated her? I heard Sarah was married to a laborer named Nasir. Mother, I used to like her and wanted to marry her, but her brother didn't agree. You broke your heart over the pain of not marrying her and left this country. Now who knows what condition that poor girl is in? Mother, I still like her and am ready to accept her even today. We need to find out about her. Okay, don't worry. Tomorrow morning I will find her home address and go meet her. Then we will know how she is. Oh my Allah, now I am tired. End my test. Make the path easy for me. Mother, Sarah's address has been found. Today I will take you to her house. Get ready. Let's go, son. I am ready. Mother, I will sit in the car. You go yourself and talk to her. Sarah, my child, how are you? What condition have you made of yourself? Your brother once told me that you are very happy and your husband was very rich. Auntie, my brother has abandoned me and my husband is no longer in this world. I live alone with my innocent child. My son Selim has sent me here. Ever since he saw you on the street, he has been very restless. He has returned from Dubai. Do you know he went to Dubai just for you? He worked hard day and night. But did he know that behind his back, all this would happen to you? Auntie, I have no relationship with Selim anymore. I am a widow and a mother to a child. Tell him to forget me and organize his own life. Okay, child, I will go now. Take care of yourself, I will come again. Son, I tried a lot to convince Sarah, but she is being stubborn. You wait and see, she will definitely agree one day. Brother confronting Sarah. I found out that your old lover has returned. He and his mother are hanging around your house nowadays. Do you have no shame? It has only been a few days since your husband's death, and already strange men have started coming to your house. First you stole, and now you are doing these filthy things. You have ruined our family's name. Brother, fear God. I have never raised my eyes to look at any strange man. Don't put such false accusations on me. Stop your babbling. From today, if you dare to come towards my house, no one will be worse than me. Sarah, child, I know you have suffered a lot. Nasir was a good man, but now he is not here. Selim is still waiting for you today. He worked day and night in Dubai for 5 years, just so he could be worthy of you. Selim hasn't married even today just for you. He wants to accept you in any situation. Will you give him a chance? Auntie, Selim is a successful man. He can marry any virgin girl. Why would he accept me as his own? Selim enters. Sarah, I was standing outside listening to your conversation. You are not a burden. You are the dream that I have decorated in my eyes for years. You marry me. Your child will be my responsibility. I will give her my name and keep her as my own daughter. I am proud of you. You endured hunger to save your honor, but did not trade your faith. Selim, my child doesn't just need bread, but she is in desperate need of a father's shadow and a shelter. I accept this. Sarah, I love you very much. I will always keep you happy. Selim, you have done a very great favor to me by holding my hand. If you were not here, I don't know what would have happened to me. No, this cannot be. What happened to you? Why are you crying? Please tell me. Our factory caught fire. Everything has burned to ashes. Nothing is left. We have to empty this house too. I took a loan against the house for the betterment of the factory. Where will we go? I think Sarah's curse has hit us. Laughter. Brother, what are you all doing here? Come with me to my house. Here, all of you sit comfortably and eat food. This is your own house. Brother, cousin, take my toy. Let's play together. Sarah, Allah has punished me. My multi-million factory, my goods, everything has burned to ashes. I don't understand how to apologize to you. For Allah's sake, forgive me. Today I don't even have a piece of bread to feed. My own children. You could have taken revenge if you wanted to, but you didn't. Sarah, I have also done a lot of cruelty to you. I called you a thief. I splashed mud on your dignity. But you have forgiven us. May Allah bless you. I will never forget that day when you pushed me out, but I will not do that. Brother, sister-in-law, remember one thing of mine. The Allah who gives wealth, when He takes it away, no one can stop Him. I have had patience in every situation. Allah has given me the reward of patience in the form of Selim. I have talked to Selim. He will give you a job in his office, but from now on, do not oppress anyone anymore. You have to promise me that from today onwards, you will not play with any girl's honor. You have done a very good deed by forgiving your brother and sister-in-law. I am very happy with your decision. Now promise me, forgetting all the sorrows, you will only love me. Laughter. So friends, this was our video for today. Let us know in the comments how you liked this video. Friends, these are not incidents from the Quran and Hadith. These are built based on real events in our society, and it has been described using the Quran and Hadith how these can be resolved. Let us know in the comments which country you are watching the video from. Friends, if you want to watch such Islamic stories and educational videos, subscribe to our Islamic Tales YouTube channel right now. So see you in the next video. Until then, may Almighty Allah grant us all the ability to stay on the right path. Amin summa amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.